Hi guys, so finally the election 2022 campaign has started yesterday. All presidentiables had their rally campaign. What do you call that? How do you call that? I've seen different presidentiables and vice presidentiables, and of course their senatorial lineup. They had their own gimmick and etc. 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 So, guys, just vote for whoever you want to vote that you believe you will have, you will benefit from them, or basta, just vote whoever you like, guys. It's your choice. We have a freedom to choose who we think can help the country. Okay, no need to pressure yourself or stress yourself. Just like me, we are a family of four, my wife and my two kids. They are also registered voters, and we are not voting the same candidates. Okay, but I let them choose. It's it's their choice. I'll do my own choice. I'll vote my own choice, right? No need to push too much and it will stress you. In fact, elections really ruin some relationships with their family, friendship. I have a lot of friends who are obviously on the other side of this presidential boss. What do you mean? So I saw their post. I just see it and respect them, you know. And I am hoping people will do the same. I have classmates, office mates, workmates before, colleagues now. They are on the other side. But I don't give a damn. It's their choice. So let me be let me do my choice. Let me vote my choice without pushing too much, stressing yourself, posting on social media. It's not me. I have already too much. I'm already carrying too much stress, work related, family related. And you know, when you are busy doing things, and then no need to stress yourself with this election. Okay, but for me now, if you ask me who is the best president that I really felt the change, no other than Rodrigo Duterte. He might not be the perfect, nobody is perfect, right? He's not 100% perfect, or what they call, but among the presidents from I was born in 1972. Okay, but I didn't care about politics at all. I don't know them. I didn't. But since Cory, of course, 1986. Next, uh, I didn't feel much. There were presidents that who were in different controversies, right? I will not name names, but yeah. So I don't see anything. I didn't feel the change. I didn't feel the benefits, the advantages. But with Rodrigo Duterte, guys, first of all, as an OFW, first is the passports, guys. Before, you have to go line, pay, spend time, madaling araw, lining up for passport renewal, right? For 5 years. Now it's 10 years. That's a big change for me, for all OFWs. Others are not just grateful that these things are happening, like driver's license as well, and so many other things, guys. I cannot even enumerate all, but especially the campaign on drugs, right? It's not 100% done yet, but yeah, we already save a lot of lives. And what else? The build. I'm excited to go around Philippines because of the build I saw on Department of Transportation, DOTR, and kay Mark Villa, Department of Public Works and Highways. Basta, I am 49 years old. This is the first president that I really saw, felt sincerity to rebuild the country. Okay, he's not perfect though, cussing and that, but we that's we really wanted or really needed a president like Duterte, because before him, it's very soft. That's why oligarchs really enjoy their influences, etc. Tama naman siya. It will be, yung parang basta. The president, for me, the best president is Rodrigo Duterte. Yung iba nga, rebulto lang pinapatayo nila. Rebulto lang of their family. Others naman, selling properties to other. Ang iba naman, nangurakot, natanggal sa pwesto, diba? So, I don't know if I am sensible here, because it's instant, guys. What comes in my mind, I just, verbalize it. Yeah. So, if you want to ask me who's going to be my president, who I will vote for, obviously, and this good partnership, uniteam, unity. They don't indulge in dirty politics, yung dirty campaigns. No, they just focus on their purpose, on uniting people. Despite the background, lahat naman may mga issues yan sila. But I believe in uniteam. Tsaka yung mga oligarchs, yung mga taxes nila mamahal. Okay. Digong broke the norms sa mga dati ng presidents, diba? Kinising niya, oligarchs pay their taxes, millions, mga yung sa sigarilyo, dami pa. I hope I had researched first and outlined what I'm going to express here to share with you guys, but no, I don't want planned. I just want instantaneous or on the spot ba. Gutom na ako, lalo kung nagutom. Daldal, but I have bread here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Unsweetened, without palaman. This is my dinner. I don't want to eat others. Okay guys, that's it. Pansit. I'll talk more next time. May outline na maganda ba. Para hindi ako awayin, hindi ako bash. Basta, once again, keep the relationship intact despite different yung political views, kung sino yung susuportahan nyo. Matatapos din yung election, at least back to good friendship, good relationship. Yeah, let's just wait who wins the election. No need to stress yourself too much, guys. You already have that much. So if I see posts of the opponents, fine, it's their right. So if I do the same, I don't need your comments. Just scroll down and up if you don't like it. Okay? Like I said, even in my family, we have different views on politics. We have different candidates, but it's okay with me. Okay. Bye.